Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can mark manually supplier invoices as paid on Kashoo accounting software. To mark supplier invoices as paid, you need to go to section Bills to Pay. From the list of invoices entered, select the one which actually you have paid. For example, in my case, I will have rent 1, 2, 3, 4. And I will be presented at the top section with a couple of options, and the very last option is pay bill. Click on it, and for example, I have already paid deposit of £300 and I have outstanding balance of £150 to pay. Add the payment details like date when this invoice has been paid, reference number if you're using referencing number system, amount, either you can add what you have paid. For example, if I have paid £100, it will leave still £50 to pay. But if you have paid this supplier invoice in full, click pay in full and amount change from 100 to 150. Select an account from which you paid money. For example, in my case, I pay from bank account, but if you paid in cash, select the one which is more applicable for this supplier invoice payment. You can add in notes, they are optional. For example, if you had paid the deposit, you can add memo here. And once you have filled in those details, click on add payment. Now balance remaining is £0 left. So when I go back to my bills and I look at rent 1, 2, 3, 4, there is no balance due and invoice status is paid. Also, there is no more fourth option to add any additional payments for this particular invoice. So in this episode, I covered how you can record or mark supplier invoices as paid manually on Kashoo accounting software. Also, I have shared the link in the description section below to my complete Kashoo accounting software tutorial. In this tutorial, I cover all sections in a detail. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.